Greetings, y'all. Today is March the 2nd, the very beginning of our favorite month. Now's the time when we can begin to reclaim our yard from the ravages of winter. And last winter was very, very hard. It got down to freezing, stayed there for a few days, and really desolated things. The bananas you see behind me, normally lush and green with their big, long, leathery leaves, froze all the way to the ground. They will have to be mucked out, cleaned out to make room for the little ones, which will sprout up from the ground and they will start again. Right next door here brought us to tears. Our beloved lemon tree froze. All the leaves fell off, scared the heck out of us. But the fine folks at the LSU Agricultural Department assured us, don't do anything, leave it alone, do not fertilize, and see if any of it will live. Well, sure enough, we have some green branches, we've got some green growth coming. So based on the information from the Ag Department, we're going to leave it alone, wait a couple months to make sure, and then take out all these seemingly dead branches. So time will tell. It appears that we lost close to half of the tree, but it's the price you pay for living where we do. The next tree over is our grapefruit tree. And it seems to have survived fairly well. It was damaged, but it's green, it's lush, it's growing, it's got flowers budding, and it appears to be okay. The next one over, we are still very, very worried about. This dead looking thing is our beloved navel orange tree. And from posts in the past, I'm sure you're aware of what luscious fruit it bears. But it really does appear to be dead. We're going to do like they say, we're going to give it time, and we're going to hope that possibly one or two of these branches may survive. Time will tell.
There's some green in the middle.
Oh!
Coming.
Oh, look! Yeah, it does have a tiny a few little green sprigs here and there. So there's hope for it yet, but I'm afraid all these outer branches are going to have to be cut. Well,
They're sad.
Well, it's very sad because it's such a big, lush tree.
The best navel oranges in the world tree. You're a good tree.
No doubt about it.
I like to talk to my plants.
They were wonderful. Now the little satsumas are none the worse for wear. Look at them. They're busting out in bloomage. There's honeybees buzzing all about them. Look at the flowers on this thing. Now we left some of these fruits hanging in hopes that they'd be okay. Oh, the smell is amazing. We left some of the fruit hanging in hopes that they'd be okay, but they're all dried out on the inside, so as I work my way through the yard, I'll probably just pull them all off and toss them under the tree so they can compost. But the tree seems fine. And, you know, in hindsight...
Bees are buzzing.
Huh?
The bees are buzzing. One just came at me.
Yes, they're buzzing. In hindsight, I think I will probably go ahead and fertilize this one since it doesn't appear to have suffered greatly. The pecan trees, well, there's no way to tell because they're very, very late in blooming. Old folks in South Louisiana, I tell you, when the pecan trees bud, that's when it's safe to plant your garden. There will be no frost. The pecan tree is the wisest of the trees, they say, and it buds last. The fig tree, my goodness, it's busted out in leaves and looks really good. I'll probably go ahead and fertilize it as well because it's seems to be survived. Our garden covered with cardboard and left to sleep all winter. We'll see if we can revive it. Peggy's little salad garden is beginning to show some sign of life. We have some dill and some radishes, a few green onions and some parsley, little sprigs of loose leaf stuff. I see an onion that's thinking about growing.
Yes, I like to plant the onions, and I also like to plant the like the ends of the romaine lettuce, and they start, you plant them and they come back up.
Yeah, that one's coming back. It'll have leaves on it here pretty
the
soon.
spinach.
They grow
and
really
stuff.
fast too.
Even the onions are, yeah. I've already been eating the romaine and spinach and stuff. Okay, this needs a lot of work.
Yeah, this once upon a time was a garlic patch. But man, we just got to completely turn it over, rework it, fill the bed back up, fix it again.
Fail. Say
We'll-
fail.
We'll see what we can do.
Yep.
The asparagus, I only see the itty bitty skinny ones growing. I'm worried about our older roots. I don't see any sign of them.
The 3 nice big asparagus that I picked and chomped on.
Oh, no wonder I don't see any nice big asparagus. Somebody's been
Surprise!
eating. Yeah. Anyway, that's our first backyard report. We'll check in with y'all in a week or two and see if we can make any kind of progress.